How to create Christmas greeting card in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward Google Play Store and download the application MS Word. Once you type MS Word, you will see this application by Microsoft Corporation. Simply download the app on your device. Once downloaded, open it and log in with your Gmail account. Once the login process has been completed, you will see this home page. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner and choose blank document. Now simply head toward Google application and search for Christmas greeting card. If you want to make your greeting card a little more attractive, you can simply add the free picture available in Google. Simply tap and hold on the picture, download it, and head back to Word again. Now to simply enter this picture, go to Home, choose Insert and choose the option of Picture. As you can see, the picture has been added in our document now. Now if you want to add more, simply go to the Insert option again from Home. Click on the drop-down menu, go to Home, choose Insert and choose the option of Text box. Now using this text box, you can simply place it in your file and write it to the person you are trying to send. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to create a Christmas greeting card on your mobile. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.